This video will demonstrate how to install the quick release bracket for the Tork Xpressnap stand dispenser. For ease of cleaning and as a quick way to release the dispenser from the wall, a special order quick release bracket is available. Designed for stadiums and other outdoor venues currently using the Xpressnap wall-mounted stand dispensers, the quick release bracket kit enables operators to remove the dispensers from the wall to protect them from weather and prevent vandalism. Additionally, this option allows operators to easily remove the dispensers and bring them to a central location to be cleaned, refilled, and to change the attic lamps. First, take the bracket and insert the 4 pins into the holes in the back of the Xpressnap stand dispenser. Holding the bracket, turn the dispenser and open the door to expose the pins. Take the 4 nuts and screw them onto the pins. Next, you'll need to mount the back plate to the wall once you decide on the placement. Ensure it's level and drill number 8 screws into the 3 mounting slots. Take your Xpressnap stand dispenser and snap the quick release bracket onto the back plate.